Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. And today we are going to do a video that has been going around for the last by the time this video is gonna be going up, probably 2 months, so it's not a trend anymore, and I'm so late on it that I just call it vintage revival trend, or that's stupid. But anyway, basically I have gotten the Naked Heat palette. Now I didn't actually buy it. I got this palette on land. Today I will actually follow I have a cold, most likely. I will follow NIKKIE's tutorials, makeup look that she has created with this beautiful palette. Now, I'm not going to lie, I do like the packaging a lot. I think it looks very nice. However, it is a little bit more bulky than the previous ones. In here you get a brush and 12 warm toned eyeshadows. Now, I will be honest, I think that I probably could create any look I can create with this palette with the other palettes that I already own. However, if you like warm tones, then this would be a very handy palette to have. So I definitely think this is quite a versatile palette, and they range quite from light to dark. Now I do wish there was kind of a off-white color that wasn't shimmer in here, but it doesn't really matter because we're just gonna follow a tutorial, so we're going to see how it turns out. I will try to insert Nikki's video somewhere so you can watch us both do our makeup. Okay.
Going on my inner and outer corner.
Okay.
And I'm
Stop. Okay. So she has already her eyebrows done and her lids primed, and it looks like she has quite a pigmented base down. So considering the base that I usually use is more or less see-through, I will use a combination of foundation and powder to get that look, so we have kind of a same start off point.
doing this using a Makeup Shack brush. So now the color is just kind of there. It's a messy queen. We want to blend this out, but can we just say, whoa, pigment? Now I'm going to be mixing the colors Chaser and Sauced, and I'm going a little bit above where I placed Cayenne for a nice transition. And I'm doing this because I want the overall warmth and shape of the eye to go a little bit higher up, but I don't want it to be as intense as with Cayenne, so I'm doing it with softer colors. And also slightly placing some of that in the center of the crease. Darkening the inner and outer corners even more. And doing so on a very detailed blender brush by Juvia's Place. And especially when working with such a dark color here on the inner corners. And there.
I don't know which one she's going in first, but I'm gonna go in first with Dirty Talk and then Scorched it, like so. Now I can't say that they're as pigmented as they are on her video. Let's see if I don't tap it off. Okay, yeah, that's better. I wonder if she used Fix Plus or something, because on me it just doesn't show up as pigmented as it does on her video. Also, I have quite a lot of fallout. I hope you can see. Comparing how the eyeshadow looks on me and on her, that her oh my god, look at this, that she must have wetted the eyeshadow because it looks, well, kind of wet, and mine looks dry. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to see the comparison.
For waterline, I'll be applying the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Alkaline. And
Okay,
even dragging
so I do not have the one that she is using in the video. However, it does appear like something I have something similar.
it a little bit onto the roots of my lower lashes to blend it out later. And surprisingly, this pencil is a lot more purple than I expected. It doesn't matter, we're not going to blend it out with a really tiny brush. Picking up Ashes and Fuego, oh my god, this is so hard, and Fuego together, and smoking the lower lash line out with those. And I'm really turning up the smoke with this dark lower lash line. To spice up that inner corner, I'm going in with Dirty Talk and just putting it right there to create sort of a new inner corner, like I always do. And to finish, a little highlighter on the inner corner.
Oi, 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 oi. Right, so she has not mentioned what color she's using in the inner corner. It looks quite like an opaque white, and it's definitely not ounce from the palette. So I'm gonna be using, I think, the Jeffree Star highlighter. Okay, so she's applying this lashes, so I will do that too. They look like is this, and they're somewhat similar to what she's using.
I love these lashes so much.
Wait. So we're doing mascara now. Okay.
Alright, let's focus on the cheeks before we go in with...
Okay, so her face is already done. So I guess we are doing foundation next. For that, as always, I will use the Dermaco foundation because that is the foundation that I like to film with. Okay, I'm gonna quickly powder with the Manhattan Soft Compact Powder in Natural Look Zero Transparent.
I'm just gonna bronze using this. I've never used this, I've just swatched it. This is by Hourglass.
So, since I don't ever use bronzer, I will use my BH Special Occasion 39 color eyeshadow and blush palette. It looks like this, and I'm going to be taking the middle, very light. Now this is a little shimmery. I don't know whether the Hourglass is shimmery or not.
It's a little bit more red toned. It's a little bit more red toned than the Benefit Hoola Light, but I'm not mad at it. Yeah, if you're looking for a bronzer that isn't Hoola Light and is a little bit more red toned, try this one. For blush, I'm gonna go in with X-Rated.
Okay, I'm gonna mix in the color, these two colors, to get a same kind of a blush than what she's using.
More towards the side of my face, higher up. So instead of the apples, more backwards. And for highlight today, I'm gonna go in with this Illamasqua one. Oh my god! Do you see what is happening on your screen right now? This is insane. And this highlighter is called Oh My God, OMG. Very fitting. And going in with my current favorite highlighting brush, my Ray Morris number 2. Oh no. Come on, show up. Oh no, come on. Come on. We were all rooting for you. Come on. We were all rooting for you. Alright, going in with the BH Spotlight Highlight Palette. This color right here, it's been tickling all the good parts.
Okay, so she used two different highlighters. Let's see. So I'll be using again the Lottie London Shimmer Squat highlight, the highlight in, let's go with the highlight in Troublemaker for a different, shall we? Because her is a little bit more icy than just a standard champagne looking highlight.
For lips from the 3 new launches in this collection, I'm going to go with Fuel. But I do want to mention that Heat is my absolute favorite color of the entire lip collection. Heat is like a metallic, warm copper. It is so beautiful, but I feel like with these eyes, it's going to be too much. I know this word's coming out of my mouth, never heard of. But I feel like with this look, it's going to be too much and too fallish. And we are in summer, so let's keep it more heat. Hot, heat, naked.
Okay,
and
before she continues to the next step again, we're just gonna quickly use a nude. So I don't actually own a lipstick that's that color, but I own a lip contour pencil from Etrabel. It looks like this.
Pigmentation.
I think it's very, very close now. I think she's putting on a lip gloss. Let's see.
I do want to add a little bit of pizzazz to this lip, so I'm going to go in with this gloss by Jouer. This is the lip topper in Saint-Tropez.
So it appears to be more or less just a clear gloss. So now I don't have the lip gloss that she's using, so will be using the Manhattan Color Loop lip gloss in 52S Soft Nude. It looks like this, in case you didn't know. Now I know it looks brown, but on the lips it looks more or less clear. So we're just gonna pop that on. Now we have the gloss on. Now my lips are a little bit lighter, so I look like I have dyed, but let's just ignore that. Okay, let's move on.
And of course, to seal the deal,
so she's setting her face. Okay, I'm probably gonna skip this part.
And that, guys, concludes my playtime with the new Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, plus the lipsticks and the...
Okay, so... Okay, I guess we're done. This is my finished look, following NIKKIE tutorials, Urban Decay Naked Heat collection review and swatches video. Now, I did not use all the products that she used in that video because I have only had the eyeshadow palette from that collection that came out. However, I do feel like the look turned out pretty similar to hers, other than the lips being a little bit too light compared to hers. But I think that otherwise the look is quite similar. Now, the eyes definitely... I don't think there is much of a difference, other than the fact that I still think that she has applied that middle bit with Fix Plus or something, because mine just was not happening. It did not want to go on as opaque as on the video. I chose this video because this was one of the first videos that showed up when I googled Urban Decay heat palette. I think I was able to follow the video. I think that she is a very bubbly person. She is very easy to watch. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think. I know that I'm so late to the trend, so let's just not talk about that, shall we? But yeah, I hope that you are doing well and that you are having a lovely day, morning, afternoon, evening, night, whenever you're watching this. Also, before I forget again, I will insert pictures somewhere again, probably now that I'm talking, but just to see how this look behaves in pictures. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Hopefully. Bye! That was stupid. Anyway, okay. I'm gonna go. Bye!